standing on a chair to try to show you what my beautiful color wheel looks like here. Since I've just dyed all new shades for the Woolly Mason Jar color wheel dyeing, there was a little mistake at the printer and it forced me to re-dye all the shades. On my previous cards I offered, just a moment, get down off this chair. Sorry. I offered tones and shades, but this time these are all done with just adding black in different amounts. And if you can see here, here's the color wheel colors, and these are all the corresponding tones and shades. For example, this is number 5, yellow. This yellow is made up, all of these swatches are number 4 values on my cards. So that's the base that I used in all of them. So in order to get these colors, you take your W5 yellow jar, and I took 4 mason jars and put 1 teaspoon in each jar per swatch. So I just dyed 1 swatch here. And then I made a jar of black using the same amounts. It's on the back of the cards, 1 gram per 1 cup boiling water. And for each of these values, they're all the same. This is the same value, number 4, this one here. And then you add 1/4 teaspoon of black, the solution. And this is with 1/2 teaspoon of the black solution. And this is with 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. So it gives you beautiful tones and shades here. Now also, sorry, I'm trying to do this on my own. So also, with the color wheel here, it's very easy for me to show you how beautiful the complementary colors look. For example, if I take the number 5, and you know we're using our clock 1 to 12, and number 5 is yellow, so right across the clock would be 11 o'clock, which would be the purple up here. So if I was looking for the complementary color of this purple, there it is. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's the same with number 6. Right across the clock is number 12. So this would be the corresponding, color for number 12. And this is number 6, which is yellow-green. And we all know that Christmas is green and red, so number 7 across the clock is number 1. So there is our Christmas colors. And it's the same for number 8 across the clock, number 2, and there is the corresponding. So you can start to see here, if you look at it, the possibilities. Now I can see right here with this green, this cooler green, and the red, you know, you can see rose and rose leaves and all of that stuff. So my favorite blue-green is number 8. And wait, now where am I? Did I already do that? 6, 12, 1. Sorry, 1. That's the wrong. This one. There we go. Look at those two together. That's 8 and 2. And now 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So this is number 9 blue, and then the orange. Now remember, these are shades with black added, and they're all from the number 5s. For example, this doesn't look orange anymore, but it's made from the number 4, number 4 from this, and this is 1/4 teaspoon of black that I've added. That's just how easy it is to work with swatches like this. And this is number 10, which is a blue purple, and across the aisle from 10 would be 4, which is yellow orange. So there those two are. And I think that's it. So there are the 6 colors with their complementaries. You see that? And also, this leaves you, you don't need to necessarily do that, but something else that is fun to do when you dye your swatches is cross-swatching. And what that is using swatches that are related in color and next to one another, in my mind, to the color wheel. So, for example, these are all with a half a teaspoon of the black. But if you put all these colors together, you can see what happens. And they could easily be used all together in a background. See those 3? See that? They're the same values, so when you turn this to black and white, it's the same, and you can even add your blue, and then it becomes analogous. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it becomes an analogous color. And so you could start off, perhaps start your leaf off where it's deep inside in this green, and then as you come up more, let's see, you could do this color, and then on the tip. Now remember, they're the same color, but if you use these all together, it just adds a little more life, but your eye sees this as all the same value. So it's really cool. And it's so easy to do when you have, oh, look at this purple and this gold together. Just stunning. Anyway, I thought I'd give you an idea of how this works. And another way that you just, oh, I'm having too much fun here, so I better stop.